Hi everyone, I'd like to introduce our machine tool light to you. It's M1. It's widely used on CNC machine, spring machine, laser cutting machine. It's very robust machine tool lamp. The lamp head is aluminum. The cover is tempered glass, and the base is nylon with glass fiber. It has 3 flexible joints. You can adjust the lighting direction easily, and it's a waterproof IP65. Its power is 9.5 volt. The beam angle is 33 degrees. You can get a very high lux level on working surface. Let me show you. And your brand can be printed on the back of the lamp. 3 input voltage optional. If you like this lamp, please feel free to contact us.